So here we go. That's one. That's the second one. Cool. Right now it's locked. Unlock. Come inside. Key goes in the slot. That comes out. But push it in again. There you go. Now it's in. Put on the brake. Starts up. Car started. Close it. Push it one more time. Take the key out. Now we're gonna do the second one. Right here. This light push. It goes in. Starts in. It goes ahead. Take the key out. Lock. Unlock. We're gonna lock that. We're gonna lock it with this one. Now unlock. Just so you didn't believe me. It locked. Alright, y'all. We got ourselves an lr2 Land Rover. Customer has, that's my key. Customer has a door key, and he brought 2 new keys that he got from Amazon. And we're gonna see if those work. Alright, all smart keys are lost. Apparently have 2 keys. On. Boom, turns on. Operation complete. So now we should see the number of keys. It should be 1. Oh, 3. Sweet. So then there's that. There's that. So then we'll put the key in the slot. Put the boot on the brake. Starts up. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Okay, so this is the new one. We're gonna add another one. So it made the beeping noise. This key has been matched and successfully verified. Turn the key on by pushing the button. Go. At the end of this job, we should read 4 keys to this vehicle. Turn the ignition on. What do you see? 4. Bam. We're gonna get paid, and then best be on a day.